I'm going to show you right here right now how to set up a RPC using Ankr for a Solana trading bot. So you can actually see here, all I have to do is I have this market maker here, this easy.py, and inside of it, I just go over to my, where I actually make the buy. So if I go here and I say market buy, where is it? Market buy right here. All I have to do is change out this link. It's really crazy. So I just changed this link here. Where is it? It's this one right here, the HTTP client, and I changed it to Ankr key. Let's go. Maybe not. Maybe I shouldn't go to the Ankr key. Yeah, I shouldn't go to the Ankr key, or else I'm gonna show you my other keys as well. But okay, so let me show you here. This is how you do it, because I just won't even use the key right now. I'll just say HTTP client equals. I used to use api.main.beta, sorry. And you can see it probably multiple times in my code. So I'm going to change it in all these places. You can see it there. So everywhere it is, I need to change it to now use the custom RPC, because what's going to happen with the Ankr RPC here is it's going to give me the data faster. It's going to make my orders go through better. I was getting rate limited like crazy when I have this sniper here. This sniper's been sniping for 6 months. It's doing okay. I mean, it's up. So that's all that matters. I put in $200 and it's at 772, but it's gone to 2000. It's gone to 150. It's very volatile. Don't do this at home. But I've been watching it, and it's kind of like me back testing, because it's impossible to back test something that hasn't been launched yet. These are all new tokens, sniping new tokens. Anyways, go to Ankr, set up a project. I put in 100, but you can put down as low as 10. You can see I have 23 requests for the day. Well, all I have to do here, I'll just show you from scratch. I'm gonna delete this old one. Create new project here. I can just call this RPC for Solana bots. So Ankr is one of the many. If you type in RPC for Solana, you can see you have like Tatum. I've heard of QuickNode. I was deciding between QuickNode and Ankr, to be honest. Alchemy, I've used Alchemy for Ethereum. Seems like these are commodities at this point, so they're all similar. I picked Ankr because of the pricing. Because I'm a cheapie. But I'll make sure I didn't get the cheapest one, because, that's a little sketch. So I always get the mid. Not a top shelf guy, but got to get the good stuff. Got to get the good stuff, but not the super, super top shelf, because you know how that goes. So you just pick Solana or whatever chain you want. I'm using Solana right now. I'm going to skip for now. And then you're going to get this key here. And this was confusing to me, honestly, because you have this key here, but it's already implemented down here. The key is implemented into your HTTPS endpoint. So I'm just going to go down here, and wherever I have HTTP client, this thing, I want to replace it with this. So instead of the API endpoint like that, I want to use that endpoint. Now, since I do this on video, I conceal it, and I have it call in this file I have that has a bunch of my keys. So I'll actually do it that way, but for this, I wanted to show you like a tutorial. You can see this is how you would do it. So yours would not have this. Yours would just have this, but be careful when you share this. You might want to conceal it if you put it on GitHub or something. So I'm going to go ahead and say this. I'm going to do it that way, but for you, do it the other way. So everywhere it says Solana mainnet here. Well, let's go back to this as well. Here, let's go back to that first one. Well, I guess we don't even have it now. How about Ankr? Where'd you go? Okay, here we go. So I'm going to just copy both of these in for each of them. Now, it's different for me and you. Remember that. Just remember that. So you can see I'm connecting through my don't share config, so I don't have to share it. But for you, it would look like this. This is your custom key right here. So this key, you got to keep to yourself. So you can see that's the key up here on Ankr. So just want to do a quick little tutorial here while I'm actually switching this stuff out because I need to do it anyways. So might as well share the love, you know? Okay, let's say mainnet. There we go. And I'm just going to take these and paste those in. All right. So again, yours would be this one. Mine's a different one. Okay, I'm going to paste that in, HTTP client. And then here's the last one here. Well, I don't know if I'm going to do it for this one, actually. Let's see what the last one was. Because I'm not going to do it for that one because I don't know if it works. That's like getting decimals. So I'm just changing out the buys because the market buys are the ones that I'm worried about. Okay, so now I just go over and I switch out my key here or in the don't share config, but I'm not going to do that here on screen because, you know, I got other things in the don't share config. But just like I did that here, I need to do that for my sniper bot. So to give you another opportunity to kind of see this process, let me go ahead and pull up my sniper bot here. This sniper bot controls this bot here. See if I have it up already. I don't know if I do, so I'm just going to pull into my GitHub. Solana Sniper Summer. Sniping Summer. Okay, so here's my sniper. And you can see, we'll go through some of the tokens that it's looking at right now. But for now, let's say anytime it says mainnet. Well, actually, I don't know if I'm going to do that for every time it says mainnet. Let's try it. Let's try it. I'm going to try it first. Oh, boy. I'm not going to do it there. I'm not going to do it on these. Get decimals. I'm just going to leave that how it is. It's calling the other RPC, the Solana one. Somebody just got to chop it out 376,000. Stop trading by hand, please. Please, please, please. Let's go to our nice funks file. Nice funks is where I keep all my nice funks. Clearly. Okay, so here's the market buy. I'm going to switch it out again here. There we go. Client.d.ankr. So I need to go ahead and get an Ankr key in there for both of them. Here's another one here because I have the market sell. So in the market sell, I was using this and this is huge, dude. So yours is going to look like this again, just one more time. The reason this is huge is because when you're using the mainnet Solana one, you get rate limited, meaning you're not going to be able to put in orders as fast as you want to. And since Solana is all about spamming the orders, it's the only way to do it, dude. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead here and pull this off screen. So I can say, I'm going to create a new one that says, don't share RPC Solana. Just so I remember it to not share it, you know? And then I'm going to go ahead and find that Solana RPC here. Click next, skip for now. And then here, I'm going to put in my real RPC. So don't share Solana RPC. So let's go ahead and grab that code here and go here. And then I'm going to go to my thing here and it's Ankr _key. So I'm going to say, don't share Ankr _key. Oops, I got to spell it right. You better spell it right. All right, there it is. And it's in there. So now let's double it. And then I'm going to copy it over here. And then I'm also going to put it in this one. Because remember, I have my new Ankr key and I showed you how to set it up. It's actually tremendously easy. So I'm glad that it was easy for me, and it's going to be easy for you, dude. Glad you're here. Much love. Peace. 777. That's what the 777 means, by the way. It's just peace and love. It's a way to send that back and forth. If you lead with love, you can have anything in this world. So if we go here and we go to the easy.py here, I can test this by saying, hey, I don't even know what token it's on, but we'll see if the orders go through. So I have this logic here that essentially buys 5 times, like I said. Like I've said like 12 times. Like I've said like 12 times, it buys 5 times. I just need to figure it out. Where is it? So for I in range of open orders per open. And let's just put that in here. How did I do it here? And not market buy. So here I'll just say for I in range. And I'm gonna do, where is this coming from? Open orders. So this needs to go in my config. And this will go here. And just say 3. Don't need it to go too crazy. So main.py. I think that was where it was. Maybe not. So for I and spit it out, Moon. For I in range of open orders, and open orders is 3. So it's gonna loop and say order market buy, made an order, made an order, made an order. And then if it fails, then it's just gonna say this. Dude, I think I'm gonna do it down here too, actually. If it fails, we're gonna try 3 more times. If it fails, try 3 more times. I like this actually. I should do the same thing here for the close though. Yeah, definitely, dude. Orders per open. I like this logic a lot. So it spams the orders essentially. It says for I in range of open orders. So I have 3. I put 3 in there in my config. So it will go and make the order 3 times. Maybe not, but oh yeah, this is going straight up. Mumu the bull is still around. Popcat crazy. All right, so now we're in the super gross. This one is funny though. Funny looking at least. These are the brand new launches. So this is what my sniper is actually looking at. These other ones, they're not. Like, it's too late for this, but well, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see what my sniper picks out of this. It'll pick like 1 out of 100. But this is the tricky part about this Solana sniping is how do you build an algorithm that buys the good ones and sells or doesn't buy the bad ones? It's obvious, but you can see there's not a lot of launches. Not a lot of new launches that made it into my algorithm. So it used to be that it used to be that every like 40 new launches each day that made it into the algo. I mean, I know there's thousands of launches, but I'm starting to think what happened is Pump Fun was released. So Pump Fun API, and everybody here has been saying, yo, launch or not launch, but build a bot for Pump Fun. And that's the crazy thing about doing this YouTube thing is you guys are so in tune with the market. At least somebody is. You know what I'm saying? So if you kick it here enough, I get all this, obviously, because I'm coding. I'm here all the time reading all the comments. But if you're here long enough, there's so much alpha that comes because there's like, okay, I know there's only like 10 people in here, but it's people coming through. Like nobody stays for the full 4 hours or 5 hours or 6 hours. Yesterday I went for 7 hours. Nobody stays for the whole 7 hours. But it's 10 new people flowing through at all time. And we're in such a small industry that is like so highly nerdy. Like we're so into this stuff and other people aren't. You know how crypto Twitter is and things like that. Like we're studying this stuff all day. So people come in here and literally 4 months ago, right when Pump Fund was released, people are like, yo, do your sniper for Pump Fund. Do your sniper for Pump Fund. Come on, let's get on Pump Fund sniping. And I'm like, nah, it looks sketch. It looks sketch. And then today it showed that it's the highest revenue protocol or whatever. And it's taken away from my sniper because people aren't launching here as much. They're launching on Pump Fund. I don't know. Hypothesis, but I can't. It's designed to be easy to use so you can start building in minutes. There are no libraries to install and nothing to configure. You just send HTTPS requests and we handle sending the transaction. If you need full security and control over your transactions, you can use our local trading API. Local trading builds a transaction that you handle the signing with your custom RPC endpoint. Dude, this might be it right here. I might be jumping on over to Pump Fund. Finally. Pump Portal. Is anybody know about Pump Portal? It's legit. Stream real-time trading and token creation data by connecting to the Pump Portal WebSocket. Once you connect, you can subscribe to different data streams. Python. Nice, we like Python. Okay, let's try this out. I mean, yo, since we got Trent up in here, you see anything sketch about this? I know you're probably working or something, but if you throw up trash, you get labeled as disruptive like me. Yo, Moon, this will take 3 minutes. Yeah, but you throw some good stuff up too. If I get the algo trading camp, do the bots I can use, I have very low funds. Nah, you got to build your own B. So he's asking about this boot camp. I have this boot camp that everybody wanted me to build. They said, Moondev, please make short, concise videos. And I said, no way. I am going to keep coding live, and that's the best I can give right now. I'm not trying to be a YouTuber. I'm not trying to edit my videos. I'm not trying to do any of that stuff. I'm sorry. I got big goals in quant, and I'm going to keep running towards them. So I did eventually make a training due to the demand. And it's all here. Short, concise videos, all my code. It's not going to be a plug and play, hey, run this up to 1 million type thing. It's not a get rich quick. You have to work hard for this. You have to work really hard. You have to find your own edge. You have to find your own algorithms that work for you and your trading style. I show you how to do that stuff, how to come up with your own edge, but you're going to have to put in the work. So this is not like a get rich quick, fast pass. It's more like, yo, I've been doing this for 4 years and I've learned a bunch of stuff and I can get you up to speed with me. But I'm not the best in the world. You know, the best person in the world just died. So I'm coming for his spot, but it's going to take a long time, like decades probably. So if you want to get up to speed with me and learn what I know, how to automate your trading step by step, how to back test to see if your strategy is profitable, how to find strategies if you don't have any strategies, and you'll continuously need to do that anyways. I show you all the steps. I know you can read what everybody else has to say, and if you can't afford it, just go over to the Discord right here. Get inside the Discord and go to the Clips channel, and you can have it for free. Just read all of that in the Clips channel if you can't afford the $69. Or you just don't want to pay some random dude on the internet. That is totally fine with me. 100% money back guarantee, by the way. But yeah, to answer your question, Tim Crane, he says, if I get the algo trading camp, do you have bots I can use? The answer is no. You have to build your own edge. I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna sit up here and cap like some people will. They'll say like, oh, join this, run my bot, make $1 million. Join this, run my bot, and lose all your money. You have to build your own edge. Oh my gosh. I think there's a possibility that they monitor and take advantage of the API requests you put in, i.e. like front run you. I would use caution, of course, and see what they do. Try to add in slippage because I saw you were using high slippage, like 50%. Yo, OG Mac has been chilling XRP for 2 weeks. He is single-handedly sending XRP to the moon. So let's just go ahead and finally look at it for him. You're single-handedly sending XRP to the moon, OG. So congrats to you, bro. Look at that move he made. This is all from OG Mac coming up in here and saying XRP question mark for the last 2 weeks. And I'm so happy for him. Because he's an OG, low key. So good job. Good job, bro. Much love. FS Trent says there could be some front running and it's pump portal for sure. It's not official API. Not official API, no. I wish they had an API. Here's the error. Essentially, long story short, the HTTP address here that we were given on Ankr. Let's go to projects. RPC. Okay. So let's go to my don't share. You can see it for now because it's I'm going to change it anyways. Let's put the HTTPS in here so we get the new one because I made a new one, remember. But long story short, the HTTP is connecting okay, but the WSS is throwing a bad request and literally spent 4 hours last night trying to figure this out. Why would the HTTP work, but then the WSS throw a bad request? All right, now you know the problem. You can see the error in the Rust, and I missed the 5. Oh, thank you. Thank you. But you know the error now. And that would have been a different error. So long story short, the HTTP works, but the WSS does not work. And we can read that error here. Interesting that still worked though. HTTP worked with that old one because I don't think I have that. I'm not even running that one anymore. So maybe this is all Fugazi, but we'll see. So now I have the new one in there. Let me sit cargo.run again. Cargo run. Okay, it's building. Hey, this is a new error, so this is awesome. It's actually a new error. So maybe I just needed to... No, you can see status. No, that's the last one. This is a new error, so we might be on something here. Let me go ahead and copy this code. And somebody told me to use Sonet, so I'm going to try that. Try everything, you know? I was here late last night until... Not late, but, you know, whatever. Longer than usual. Trying to figure this out. Let's go to Sonet and say, please fix my error. And then I'm going to say here, and Joao, I love you for your comment already. I haven't even read it yet. But I already appreciate it. Okay. Send me back the full code. Below are my endpoints in my don't share.rs. So don't share.rs. I can't share this with you, but I am for today. Oh, still hashing out the details? Well. All right, we're making moves. We're making moves. I love it. I'm not going to read all this. Sorry. I'll put full code. Claude is better with the artifacts turned on. What's artifacts? Yo, I have 3 messages remaining till 1 p.m. That is trash. Let's be honest, though. Let's be honest. That's some trash right there. You better fix it in 3 messages or else, you know, I don't know what to do here. You better fix it, buddy boy. You better fix it. Got 2 messages left, so we'll see if we can get it here. We'll see if we can run it. If not, I'm gonna have to buy it. No, if it doesn't work better, then F it, right? What do you guys think? Should I buy this stuff? I'll use it for today. I'll return it. I'll return it too. Don't share. Main.rs. Okay. I honestly just don't like Claude. I just don't like the name. We want to be real here. I don't like the name. And I also... I love Claude. I love Claude. Let's sign up right now. Whatever just happened, we are live now. Claude is way better than GPT. Yo, fuck GPT. Subscribe to Pro right now, motherfucker. Subscribe right fucking now. We're buying this immediately. $20 per month, Claude. You are so much sicker than GPT. We've got Solana data streaming in like a motherfucking boss. Fuck OpenAI. I'm sorry. Yo. No offense. Sorry for the vulgarness. Sorry for your nieces. Sorry for your nephews. I love you guys, and I don't mean to be vulgar here, but fuck OpenAI. This is crazy, dude. I can't believe we just figured it out by switching to a new AI. Get the fuck out of here. I'm never using OpenAI again. I'm deleting my account. I'm putting in my credit card information right now so I can buy this. Yep, I can't say this out loud. Don't say your freaking name, your shit out loud. Come on, dog. I don't need any of this. Just sign me up. Take my money. Take it. We're rolling forever. Fuck OpenAI. We don't need them anymore. Okay, I'm not going to say my address either. Come on, just get it in there. Oh my God. They don't have my address on here. You racist motherfuckers. Really? Okay, Puerto Rico's not part of the US, you fucking dumb shit. Come on, dog. Fuck OpenAI. Anthropic to the moon. Anthropic to the moon. I had somebody at the airport the other day said, oh, we don't, or no, TSA said, oh, we don't accept Puerto Rico IDs. And I just laughed. I just giggled to myself. And the other lady's like, pretty sure it's part of the US. And I just smiled and moved on. But it was pretty funny. I just giggle when that happens. It happens often. It's just like kind of shows you they need a little bit more education. But my card was denied, unfortunately. My card was denied. Damn, down bad. Down bad. Trying to get Claude because it's better than OpenAI. I will make a public service announcement after this. I will. I'm sorry. It's true. I'm going to cancel my ChatGPT subscription right now. Well, I'm not, but you know what I mean. We'll see. I might. If I can get this set up. I currently can't. I don't know why. It looks like my card's just denied. Oh man. State is correct. Maybe I need to change my country to Puerto Rico or something. I don't know, dude. Stuff's crazy, dude. This stuff is crazy. Oh, no. 0. I just put in the wrong zip code. It's a really weird zip code. It's really weird. Yo, that is unreal. That is unreal. That is unreal. We got all the data that we need streaming in here. Holy smokes. What a life we live, huh? What a life we live. We can flip sides like that. I just switched teams on these. Oh man, I'm happily over here now. Yo, we are live here and we are never going back. So, I showed you everything with the RPC today, so that's probably enough for that. And I'll catch you in the next one.